Hey guys, it's Jackie Boy here. I'm going to be doing a gaming video today of this game. You know this game, Tdu2. It's really cool. So I've got 6 cars, and I'll go down and show you. So this is my first car, little kit Citroen. Yeah, it's pretty stock. Then I've got the Herbie, Volkswagen. I've got the Jag, the Buggy, the Shelby, and this thing, McLaren. So yeah, I'll be back later and I will be doing, so, I can't do it today because I've got a lot of stuff on today, but can you please please? Subscribe down bottom and write comments, please. Thank you. And bye.